My name is Bola Oshisanwo. I'm the director for BT's Global Development Centers. The initial pilot was conceived and implemented in a period of 5 months. We brought together 400 of our developers across 4 of our key projects, located them in Adastral Park, just outside Ipswich, in Belfast and in Glasgow, and linked them to their fellow developers in Pune in India. We supported the developers with a training package that allowed them to incorporate the smart board technology and collaborative working in their day-to-day activities. We invited 5 of our developers to come and work out of our Agile Development Center in Adastral Park. They worked with their colleagues in India using the smart collaboration technologies and were able to conclude the business in 2 days. Ordinarily, this would have taken 5 days with the trip to India. Clearly, in this instance, smart collaboration technologies has had a positive impact on the work-life balance of our people. It's also helped us reduce our travel costs and our carbon footprint. The inclusion of smart boards in the Agile Development Center has added a different dimension to our Agile development processes. It has enabled our developers to collaborate with each other irrespective of where they are in the world. Smart boards are great, actually. I grew up from the good old chalk boards to the dry whiteboards to the electronic whiteboards that you write on and print. I mean, these are yet even a step further than that, because not only do they allow you to do stuff freehand, you can use your Microsoft applications on them, or any application actually, and you can write over your applications, save them back into a PDF file or PowerPoint file and distribute them. And for me, that's my natural way of working. I don't like presenting stuff to people as a fait accompli. I like involving them. And by actually just having hand scribbled notes on the board, it makes people feel that they were included at the concept phase. The successful delivery of a customer solution relies on effective collaboration between people across BT. Our Agile Development Centers have enabled people to meet as if they were in the same room, irrespective of where they are in the world. By embedding smart board technologies in the Agile Development Centers, people can work together as if they were in the same room. The other day we were working with Glasgow and Belfast because we're trying to install more boards out there, and we could walk through the plan with them from Adastral Park. We didn't need to travel up there, so it saves us lots of time and makes us a lot more effective. Well, since installing the smart whiteboards in our team, our productivity has gone through the roof. Basically, we use the whiteboards for almost everything. At the beginning of the day, we write up a list of what we've got to do. We go in there, tick them off. If we're doing a design, we do it on the board directly. We can save it straight into PowerPoint so that we can present to others, so we can present our ideas as early as possible. We don't have to bother about pretty pictures, etc. We can actually get people on board and discuss with them. We have our project meetings, our weekly delivery board meetings around the smart board that enables us to capture the minutes right there and then and distribute them immediately after the meeting. So it's been fantastic. Our productivity has been great. I love the touch element of the board, yes. The touch element is fantastic. We actually did try different boards before we settled for the smart board because we felt that had the best tactile feedback for the individuals. And I personally prefer using my finger on the board to the pens because it's a nice surface to draw on. Our Agile Development Centers help us prevent problems by collaborating more with our service providers. We encourage them to come in, work with us around smart whiteboards to explore potential issues before they happen, thereby improving their customer satisfaction and also reducing the number of faults we have reported into BT.